This project went completely sideways. Supposed to be a simple project turned into something way more than I'd ever imagined. It all started right here. We had to clear everything out and build a new frame just to extend this slab. The plan was simple: extend the concrete, build the structure, and be done in a couple days. Or so I thought.
Scratch it right there, scratch it. Here to inspect the job site late at night. Oh yeah. Now, I'm ready for tomorrow. Yeah, I couldn't already tell. Wait, everything else here? No. We'll have to wait on that one. Yeah, look at that. Woo, yeah.
Nowhere. It ain't gonna go nowhere. And with rebar, $9 for this piece. That's how much you can charge, y'all.
Looks pretty good. We're over here. I don't know where Chelise and Angel are at, but I guess they don't want to get paid today. So
Today was payday too.
You like that, yo? Like that, Eric.
Honda, right here to special guest. Ethan, here's your brand new Honda. Oh no, the boss is talking crazy to me.
These are some real Mexicans right here, working hard. Except for this one, right here.
Y le dijo que le iba a llamar a la policía. No, hijo.
You want to be on camera?
Me no pico Spanish. Choose speak Spanish.
I'm not convinced. I think y'all's gonna live in this shit. I don't think that he's just been fooling everyone that it's a garage. They're gonna live in this shit.
This is where things started to come together. We got all the arches up, one by one, building out the frame that was going to hold everything together. By the time we reached the front, this is exactly where we were left off for the day. It was finally starting to take shape. But the next day, when we came back to finish it, everything changed.
yeah. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out. The wind was too strong. Re-weld it and give it extra support. Huh? Day out of all days, it's super windy once we started building this. those arches were into here. This was welded onto here. Obviously it's not craziest weld. There was a lot of weight. Started from the back and felt like a domino effect leading to the front. My brother-in-law got hurt. Luckily no one got hurt too bad. My brother-in-law is the one that kind of got hurt more. He busted his lip on the inside. It really kind of sucks. Makes you really unmotivated, like, just from what happened, because you think about what could have happened. Like, we have all the kids, my nephews, everybody's around, and it could have fell on one of them. Today none of the kids really came and they weren't out here. Usually they're always playing around here, just messing around. Today they weren't. It's unmotivating, you know. What happened? Essentially what I'm gonna end up doing is welding those pieces back on, giving them extra reinforcement. My dad's truck and this box saved us essentially even from more possible damage because they were both right there. I jumped over the truck to the bottom. I thought one was gonna hit me on my back. I was expecting it to. One hit my dad on this forearm. He saw my brother-in-law falling down. The ladder was on top of the bed truck and then he was on the ladder, so he fell from that height. I don't know how he fell because I wasn't looking. I wasn't recording because it's, you wouldn't expect something like that's your least of worries to happen, something bad like this. Even then, I wish if I recorded I wouldn't have got that on camera because it kind of sucks overall. So let me explain a little bit of what's going on. I had gone these pipes at a 1 foot height. I would say it's a little better. And then I had to weld it myself. They aren't the best welds, but they get the job done. That's what I'm doing. I'm welding all of those. For the back ones, they're still the small ones. Those ones didn't fall off. I'm just going to reinforce the welds. The bent pipes, the ones that bent over there, I'm remaking them over here. About to get it done. We're back in business. Yep. We're back to where we started. Not a lot of wind as last time. That was a big factor in the whole thing, and the amount of that these things were being held up by. Right now I'm just hooking up everything that's gonna bring this all in together. Now without further ado, let's just get right into it.
This is Brazil. This is it. This is it. The garage, the rise and fall and rise again of the garage. Went through trials and tribulations, and but here we are. More sturdier, more strong, more better support. Titanium base platform anchored to the floor. I'm really excited to what's to come in this garage. Things that I'm gonna be able to do, have fun. It's like a dream come true. This is something that's just awesome. It's really cool. I'm really excited about it. In the meantime, the garage I haven't been making any videos in it yet because we're using it for a couple other things. So I haven't really, I have a video coming up where I am gonna be, we're decorating in a sense, my setup, and I guess, but for the most part, it's not too much stuff because we are taking the stuff out to use it for other purposes. For the meantime, and then also my whole focus right now, since I got all this done, is going to the S2000 because I want to get that car done as quickly as possible. And once I'm done with that car,
we're gonna be moving on to the other car that I got going on, and in the same time I'm gonna be kind of working on this one. I got one more thing I want to do with the interior that's just gonna transform the whole interior of the car. Then afterwards try to get rid of it as soon as possible so we can move on to the next project, which will be another Civic, but it's gonna be, this time we're going a whole 360 with this thing. I really appreciate y'all for the ones that tune in. I know it's not that many, but I appreciate it. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.